everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're focusing on an essential accessory for anyone using a Neat Desk ND1000 or Neat Connect NC1000 scanner, the LKEIUSOKRYAC AC adapter. This isn't just any power supply. It's specifically engineered to keep these vital document management systems running flawlessly. For sensitive electronics like scanners, consistent power and precise compatibility are paramount. The LKEIUSOKRYAC adapter, from manufacturer LKEIUSOKRY, serves as a dedicated corded electric power source. It delivers stable electricity directly from your wall outlet, preventing frustrating interruptions during scanning. Its 2-pin main power connector ensures a secure and exact fit for the Neat Desk ND1000 and Neat Connect NC1000 models, eliminating the need for unreliable universal adapters. The specific model number, SYS13082424W2, confirms its tailored engineering. Users can trust this adapter as a purpose-built component. A lost or failing power adapter can halt productivity. The LKEIUSOKRYAC AC adapter offers peace of mind as a reliable replacement or spare. It guarantees your Neat scanner receives the correct voltage and amperage, vital for the.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.